Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. In this video, we are going to see the preview of family tree for Mughal emperors. First one, Babur. Born as Zairuddin Muhammad, was the founder of Mughal Empire and first emperor of the Mughal dynasty. He was the descendant of Timur and Chengiz Khan and the eldest son of Umar Sheikh Misra of Uzbekistan. He is also the great great grandson of Timur. After losing Samarkand thrice, Babur turned his attention to India, where he defeated Ibrahim Lodi at the First Battle of Panipat and founded the Mughal Empire. Notable among his sons are Humayun, Mirza Kamran, and Mirza Hindal. Babur died in 1530 in Agra, and Humayun succeeded him. Nasir Uddin Muhammad, also known as Humayun, was the second emperor of the Mughal Empire. Humayun was an inexperienced ruler when he came to power at the age of 22. Humayun lost Mughal territories to Sher Shah Suri but regained them 15 years later with Safavid aid. When Humayun came to the throne of Mughal Empire, several of his brothers revolted against him. Another brother, Mirza Askari, supported Humayun but was assassinated soon. Jalal Uddin Muhammad Akbar, popularly known as Akbar the Great, was the third Mughal emperor. Akbar succeeded his father Humayun under a regent Bairam Khan, who helped the young emperor expand and consolidate the Mughal domains in India. During the extended period of Humayun's exile, Akbar was brought up in Kabul by the extended family of his paternal uncles Mirza Kamran and Mirza Askari and his aunts, in particular Mirza Askari's wife. On November 1551, Humayun's younger brother Mirza Hindal died fighting in a battle against Mirza Kamran's forces. Upon hearing the news of his brother's death, Humayun was overwhelmed with grief. Out of affection for the memory of his brother, Humayun betrothed Hindal's 9-year-old daughter Ruqayya Sultan Begum to his son Akbar. Akbar's marriage with Ruqayya was solemnized in Jalandhar, Punjab, when both of them were 14 years old. She was his first wife and chief consort. The Kachwacha Rajput, Raja Barmal of the small kingdom of Amir, who had come to Akbar's court shortly after the latest accession, entered into an alliance by giving his daughter in marriage to the Emperor Akbar. Barmal was made a noble of high rank in the Mughal court. Nur Uddin Muhammad Salim, known by his imperial name Jahangir, is the son of Akbar. Prince Salim was born on August 1569 to Akbar and one of his wives, Mariam Uz Zamani, the daughter of Raja Barmal of Amir. He independently commanded a regiment in the Kabul campaign when he was barely 12. His mansab was raised to 12,000 in 1585 at the time of his betrothal to his cousin, Rajkumari Manbai, daughter of Bhavan Das of Amir, who was the brother of Akbar's Hindu wife Mariam Uz Zamani. The marriage with Manbai took place on February 1585. Jahangir named her Shah Begum and she gave birth to Khusrau Mizra. One of his early favorite wives was the Rajput princess Jagat Gosain Begum. Jahangir named her Taj Bibi Bilqis and she gave birth to Prince Khurram, the later Shah Jahan, who was Jahangir's successor to the throne. Jahangir soon after had to fend off his son, Prince Khusrau Mizra, when the latter attempted to climb the throne based on Akbar's will to become his next heir. Khusrau Mizra was defeated in 1606 and confined in the fort of Agra. As punishment, Khusrau Mizra was handed over to his younger brother and was partially blinded and killed. Jahangir considered his third son Prince Khurram as his favorite. In 1622, Khurram murdered his blind older brother Khusrau Mizra in order to smooth his own path to the throne. Dawar Baksh, which means God given, was the ruler of Mughal Empire for a short time period between 1627 to 1628, immediately after the death of his grandfather Jahangir. Dawar was the child of Jahangir's eldest son, Prince Khusrau, who was killed at the behest of Prince Khurram in 1622. Upon the death of Jahangir, in order to secure the accession of Shah Jahan, Asaf Khan, the brother of Nur Jahan, brought Dawar Baksh out of confinement and declared him king for Lahore. Shahabuddin Muhammad Khurram, better known by his regional name Shah Jahan, the king of the world. He was the fifth Mughal emperor who reigned from 1628 to 1658. In 1607, Khurram became engaged to Arjumand Banu Begum, who is also known as Mumtaz Mahal. They met in their youth. They were about 14 and 15 when they were engaged, and 5 years later they got married. However, Shah Jahan first married Princess Gandhari Begum, the daughter of a great grandson of Shah Ismail of Persia. In 1612, aged 20, Khurram married Arjumand Banu Begum, who became known by the title Mumtaz Mahal. She bore him 14 children and she died at the age of 38 while giving birth to Gahar Ara Begum in Burhanpur. She died of a postpartum hemorrhage which caused considerable blood loss after a painful labor of 30 hours. Muhyiddin Muhammad, commonly known by his name Aurangzeb. In Persian, it's known as Ornament of the Throne. He is the sixth Mughal emperor, ruled over almost the entire Indian subcontinent for a period of 49 years. The four sons of Shah Jahan all held governorship during their father's reign. The emperor favored the eldest Dara Shikoh. Aurangzeb has been subject to criticism. Critics against demolition of Hindu temples, policies based on Islamic ethics, execution of his elder brother Dara Shikoh, Maratha King Sambhaji, and the ninth Sikh Guru Tej Bahadur. Aurangzeb escaped to death when a powerful elephant stamped through the Mughal imperial encampment. He rode against the elephant and struck on its trunk with a lance and successfully defended himself. Bahadur Shah, also known as Muhammad Muazzam and Shah Alam, was the seventh Mughal ruler of India. In his youth, he conspired to overthrow his father Aurangzeb, the sixth Mughal emperor, and ascend to the throne. Without appointing a crown prince, Aurangzeb died in 1707 when Muazzam was governor of Kabul and his younger half brothers Muhammad Khan Baksh and Muhammad Azam Shah were the governors of Deccan and Gujarat. All three sons intended to win the crown. Azam prepared to march to Agra and declare himself successor, but was defeated by Muazzam at the Battle of Jajavu in June 1707. Azam and his son Ali Thabar were killed in the battle. Muazzam ascended the Mughal throne at the age of 63 on June 1707 with the title of Bahadur Shah I. Prince Jahandar Shah was born in Deccan Subha to the later Emperor Bahadur Shah I. His mother was Nizam Bai. Jahandar Shah was appointed as a vizier of Balkh by his grandfather Aurangzeb. When their father died on February 1712, he and his brother Azimus Shah both declared themselves emperor and battle for succession held. Azimus Shah was killed on March 1712, after which Jahandar Shah ruled for an additional 11 months. He fathered three sons including Azizuddin, who reigned as Mughal emperor. Jahandar Shah led a frivolous life. He chose a favorite wife, La Kunwar, who was a mere dancing girl before her elevation to the position of queen consort. He was defeated in the battle at Agra on January 1713 by Farrukh Shiar, his nephew and the second son of Azimus Shah, with the support of Syed brothers. Jahandar Shah ascended the throne of Mughal Empire by defeating the Farrukh Shiar's father, Azimus Shah. Farrukh Shiar wanted to revenge his father's death. After a night-long artillery fight, Azzuddin and Kawad Hazan Khan fled and the camp fell to Farrukh Shiar. Rafi-ud-Darajat, the youngest son of Rafi Shah and the nephew of Azimus Shah, was the 10th Mughal ruler. He succeeded Farrukh Shiar on Feb 1719, being proclaimed Badshah by the Syed brothers, but he died from tuberculosis. Shah Jahan II, birth name was Rafi ud Dawla was the 11th Mughal ruler for a brief period in 1709. After being chosen by the Syed brothers, he succeeded his short-lived brother Rafi ud Rajat in the same year. He also died of tuberculosis. Born as Roshan Akhtar and crowned as Naziruddin Muhammad Shah, he is the son of Jahan Shah and the last emperor to possess effective control over the Mughal Empire. Later, they got rid of the Syed brothers and the Mughal Empire started to fall. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. We have also uploaded the detailed description of family tree of Mughals. Please do watch it.